Hello my fellow creators and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to play with some new dies I got. I ordered Master Layouts 1 and 2 from Gina K Designs, and I'm going to use those along with some Doodlebug paper that I have here. It is the Fun in the Sun 6x6 paper pad, so I'm going to use that. And on one of those pieces of paper, there's some cactus. So I thought I'd bring in this stamp set by Simon Says Stamp. It's Cuddly Cacti. So let's get started playing with some paper and some dies. So Master Layout 1. I love this oval layering dies. Those I'm definitely going to use. And let's see. I might use Master Layouts 2 as well, only because that'll give me my matte layer. I'm going to keep them on separate sides of my desk so I don't mix them up before I get them on their magnetic sheets. I store my dies on magnetic sheets, and I haven't done that with these yet. So let's get started on these. I think if I use the bigger one of Master Layouts 1 with a stitched edge of 2, I think that'll work. And let's pull out my pattern paper. I'm going to try and use a few of these. Let's see. That one's cute. Oh, I love those flamingos. Let's see, here's some cacti. Here's the one I was talking about, this pattern paper. I think I might use that one to start with. What do you think? Yeah, I think I'll start with that one. Okay. So, I also just ordered from Amazon some of these cutting mats. Let's see if they work with my Gemini. Hopefully they do, because the last thing I want to do is break my machine. What do you think? I like the way it turned out. Do you think I need more? Maybe some embellishments? I'm gonna leave it as is. All right, I'm gonna do one more, but I'll do all the die cutting off camera. So I'll be right back. All right, I cut out a few more pieces to make another one. I'm gonna use the same design, but I'm not gonna stamp on this one. This one, I have these stickers from Doodlebug. I think they're the coordinating ones. And I am just going to use those coordinating stickers on here. And I may use a flower or two. Just to add a little bit to this. I'm sorry about that. Let's see, let me put it together. Okay, I am back with third and final card I'm gonna make. So for the sentiment on this one, I have this Lawn Fawn Aloha stamp set that I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna use the Aloha, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use these stickers from Doodlebug that coordinate with the paper. So let me get my Aloha stamped on my white oval. Let's see. There we go. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.